Beam and seam. Beam. Beam can refer to a long, sturdy piece of timber or metal used as a support in a building. It can also mean a ray of light or energy. Examples: the construction workers installed a steel beam to support the weight of the new floor. The sun's beams shone through the window, casting a warm glow in the room. Seam. Seam is a line where two pieces of fabric are sewn together, or where a fold in the fabric is stitched. It can also refer to a thin layer or stratum of a mineral or rock. Examples: she carefully stitched the seam of her dress to ensure it wouldn't unravel. The geologist studied the seam of coal running through the rock formation. Differences. Beam typically refers to a structural element used in construction, while seam is more commonly associated with sewing or geological formations. Beam is often used in the context of support or illumination, whereas seam is used in the context of joining or layering materials. Both words can be nouns, but only beam can also be used as a verb, e.g., the lighthouse beamed its light across the water.